Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to create a second Facebook profile. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the menu button, located at the bottom right or top right. Step 3. Look for an arrow to the right of your profile and click on it. Step 4. Select Create Facebook Profile from the menu. Step 5. Enter a new name for your profile and choose who to connect with. Step 6. Click Next and choose to link an Instagram account if desired. You can skip this step. Step 7. Add a profile photo if you want, then press Continue. Step 8. Read through the provided information and click Create Profile at the bottom. Step 9. Follow the setup instructions to add friends and manage your profile settings. You're now ready to use Facebook with your second profile. If you found this guide useful, consider liking and subscribing for more tips.